Ever wake up feeling like your brain is already on overload before your feet even hit the floor? You grab your phone, start scrolling, and suddenly, whoosh, your mind is flooded with a million thoughts, 1,000 to-do lists, and you haven't even brushed your teeth yet. Sound familiar? You're not alone. We live in an age of constant information, endless notifications, and way too many demands on our time. Your brain is working overtime, and it's no surprise you're feeling drained. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I'm going to show you 7 simple ways to take control of your mind and fight back against mental overload. Trust me, these will change your life. Take care of your mind, and your mind will take care of you. First things first, stop sleeping with your phone. I know it's tempting, but here's why this matters. When your phone is right next to your bed, you're tempting your brain to start the day with stress. We're talking about notifications, emails, news, social media, and more. Your brain has no time to wake up before it's hit with a flood of info. It's like a fire hose to your brain at the very start of the day. Instead, leave your phone in another room. Let your mind wake up slowly, calmly. It's a small habit that can give you a huge advantage for the rest of the day. Don't sleep with your phone. Leave it in another room. Next, here's a simple trick to set the tone for your entire day. Make your bed. Yes, it's that simple. It may seem small, but research shows that completing even a tiny task in the morning gives your brain a sense of accomplishment. That tiny win is a powerful cue that sets you up for a productive day. When you make your bed, you're signaling to your brain that it's time to get to work. And it's a simple action that can help you feel more in control. Focus on just 3 important tasks. Keep it simple. Don't overwhelm yourself with a huge to-do list. Keep it simple. Pick 3 things you absolutely need to do today. Focus on the most important tasks, not the endless list of everything you could do. The human brain can only focus on a limited amount of tasks at once, so setting manageable goals will keep you from feeling burned out. Small wins add up to big results. 3 focused tasks will make you feel accomplished and give your brain a chance to breathe. Get 20 minutes of sunlight, boost your mood and health. Now, let's get some sun. It's easy to forget, but spending just 20 minutes in natural sunlight is crucial for both your mental and physical health. Vitamin D is essential for mood regulation, and studies show that sunlight can actually help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Take this time to breathe deeply and appreciate the beauty around you. It's the perfect way to give your mind a break and reset. Your brain will thank you. Practice deep breathing. Reset your nervous system. Stress and anxiety can overload your brain. One simple way to counteract that is by practicing deep breathing. It may sound cliché, but deep breathing actually helps to reset your nervous system. It calms your body, reduces stress, and centers your mind. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, just take a few minutes to breathe deeply. It's a small but powerful way to hit reset on your brain. Move your body, activate your brain. Another way to help reduce mental overload is by moving your body. It doesn't have to be a full workout. Even a short walk or stretching for a few minutes can do wonders. Movement increases blood flow to the brain, helps to release feel-good hormones like endorphins, and can boost your focus. Even a 5-minute stretch or a short walk around the block can clear your mind and help you feel more focused. Practice mindfulness, stay present, not overloaded. Lastly, try incorporating mindfulness into your day. Mindfulness is simply paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Whether it's while you're eating, walking, or working, staying mindful helps reduce distractions and lets you truly focus on what matters most. It's like giving your brain a break from the constant chatter. Being present helps you experience life more fully, and over time, it reduces mental clutter. Bonus tip: reward yourself. And here's a final tip: reward yourself. At the end of the day, take some time to do something you truly enjoy, whether it's a hobby, watching a favorite show, or simply relaxing. Giving yourself a small reward for your hard work helps reinforce good habits and motivates you to keep going. So there you have it. 7 simple ways to fix your overloaded brain. It doesn't take much to make a huge difference. Just a few small changes can help you feel more focused, calm, and in control. Start with one tip today and see how much it helps. And remember, reward yourself for making progress. You've earned it. Take care of your mind, and your mind will take care of you.